What's going on, all you droniacs out there? How's it going? Hope your day is going swell. We're out here right now capturing some of the fall colors along Skyline Parkway, right outside of Enger Park. Right behind those trees, can't see it right now, is Enger Tower, and then over in this direction down that road, go down there is Enger Golf Course. But anyway, yeah, we're getting some pretty cool fall colors right now. Check out that tree, huh? Isn't she beautiful? Got some more down here alongside the cliff. But yeah, that's what we're doing. Getting some of these fall colors before this wind takes them all away. And let me tell you, it is windy. It's so windy, I debated whether or not to take the drone out and fly. But I did. I don't know how much more wind I would want to take it out on, especially since we're right here along this cliff here, and right over here is this cliff. So there's really not that much safe places for me to take the drone down if I do end up getting in trouble. But as you can see, it's not too busy right now. It was a lot busier when I was flying, ironically, which wasn't cool. But anyway, that's there. There's a bunch of people here taking pictures and stuff. They wanted to get pictures, I wanted to get pictures, and all that kind of good stuff. But anyway, yeah, keep watching for later this week for the full version of me flying around at Enger Park. And then I did get some shots of Enger Golf Course also, and just the beautiness that is Duluth. So yeah, hope everybody does well is well. But until then, drone on. All right.